There's Turbo S up there. ZL1 Camaro. Ferrari 488 was in the group earlier. And what we had? BMW M Competition Edition. Audi. Dodge Challenger. I think that's about it, man. So it was a nice little variety. Yeah, it was cool to do a wrap-up drive of California, man, because I don't know when I'll be able to make this drive again once I move to AZ.
Next year.
So it'll be a minute, man. If I come out here for anything, it'll be next year for another rally, but this is kind of like a nice little going away.
Lockdown's over. Get your yard time in. Exclusively at FreshOutSeries.com.
Officially, I only got one real spanking my entire life. My mom did the best a 14-year-old could do, raising me with love and instilling values that will last a lifetime. I was a straight-A student and lived to make her happy. So how did I go astray? A horrible stepdad that stole my self-worth and invoked fear turned me into a person that I struggled to overcome. From skateboarding to selling drugs, gang banging in juvenile hall, I got caught the same way many young promising men get caught up. I struggled to find my identity, getting mixed up in shootouts, crime, and the adult entertainment industry. This roller coaster continued as I juggled college, hustling, and Hollywood, eventually catching a federal bank robbery case. I found redemption in prison while serving a 120-month federal sentence and came out a man on a mission. I became a social media influencer with over 500 million views on YouTube and a life coach mentoring people all over the world. This is my journey, against all odds.
Are you tired of smelling funky? Have you lost your ass? Go to BigKirk916.com and get to Nutsack Run.